What's up, all my fellow crypto freaks? It's your boy Kevin. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to find the next cryptocurrency altcoin that blasts off and go to the moon. We're going to be talking about how we find it before the move begins. It's always good to be in these cryptocurrencies before the momentum happens. That way we're not chasing as it goes higher, FOMO buying, and potentially getting stuck at the top. That's never fun. We're going to be looking at a couple of altcoins that have gone to the moon recently. We're going to be looking at them and seeing if there's any common ingredients that both of these meme altcoins have that we can break down and maybe put a blueprint together to predict future altcoins that have the ingredients that are needed for a monster move. If you're new around the channel, we talk about cryptocurrency investing, stock market investing, and real estate investing. Pretty much just how to make money out there, grinding, getting that paper. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button if you're into that type of thing. Everybody, do me a solid, go ahead and destroy that like button for me. All right, so we have two meme coins that recently put in monster 1000% plus moves. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, probably the two most famous altcoins of all time right now. So we're going to be looking at those two altcoins, breaking down the moves, looking at the ingredients, what did it take in order for those moves to happen, and then we can use those to determine what an altcoin needs in order to blast off and go to the moon. All right, so let's look at Dogecoin first so we can go in chronological order. That just makes more sense. So back in April, early April, Dogecoin was just trading at 4 cents per token. In a matter of a month and a half, it went from 4 cents all the way up to 74 cents. Just an insane, crazy move. We really hadn't seen anything like it up until then in the cryptocurrency markets. It set a precedent for the type of potential that these altcoins have. A couple months later, it all happens again with Shiba Inu. And the Shiba Inu move is still ongoing. It still has momentum, and there is potential that we even see more all-time highs. So let's run it back to Dogecoin and look at the move. What happened with Doge? Why did this move go down? Number one, the Doge memes were circulating around the internet. The Doge memes were very, very, very popular. Everybody was tweeting them out. It was probably the most popular meme at the time. So obviously, we need a trend. Number one thing that we need for a cryptocurrency to blast off and go to the moon, it needs to have social media influence. It has to be trending, and it has to be popping off, right? You need that trend in order for this move to happen. With Dogecoin, it was the Shiba Inu meme. You had buyers coming in just because of that meme. It was a joke. People liked the idea of making money off of a joke. It caught attention via the Reddit crowd, and the Reddit crowd jumped all over it. So we have social media memes, we have the Reddit crowd. Those coming together created an increase of volume into the crypto. As soon as it started going higher, then you had news coverage, you had social media influencers coming out making videos on Dogecoin, and that brought in even more buyers, sending the price even higher. And over the course of just 2 weeks, we went from 14 cents all the way up to 46 cents. So number one, it was trending on social media. Number two, the token cannot be a pump and dump or a rug pull. What is a rug pull? So when you have a developer of a cryptocurrency, oftentimes they will stash a bunch of the cryptocurrency for themselves. They developed it, they should own part of it, right? I agree with that. But sometimes once a lot of investors start buying the particular crypto, the developer will then flood the open market with their own supply, crashing the cryptocurrency. That's called a rug pull. If you develop a cryptocurrency, you believe in it, you should be holding on to it at least for a few years. There's no way you should be dumping it on the open market, causing the price to go down. That is a pump and dump. So we want to spot that, be aware of it, and not invest or trade rug pulls and pump and dumps. In order to do so, you can look at these crypto altcoins and see if the developer is open about who they are. Somebody who says that they developed this coin is probably not going to screw over thousands of investors. But if the developer is hidden, nobody knows who it is, it's a lot more likely to be a scam. Look at the Squid Games token, for example. Nobody knew who developed it. There was a lot of grammatical errors on the website, which is another indicator of a scam. So check out the website, look how put together and how well designed it is. Look for grammatical errors. Try to find out who's behind the token or coin. Is the development team look legit? And don't just jump into something without doing your own research and own due diligence. Number 3, it has to be accessible to your average retail crypto investor. If people can't buy the cryptocurrency, it's not going to go to the moon, folks. People have to be able to buy it. Look what happened with Shiba Inu. Back here, Shiba Inu was hard to buy, right? You couldn't find it anywhere. You had to use Shiba Swap or Pancake Swap or Uniswap, and your average retail investor doesn't know how to use those platforms. But then it gets added to Webull. Then it gets added to Public. Then it gets potentially added to Robinhood. So along the way up, as it gets added to more and more crypto brokerages, the price goes up. Why? Because more buyers are coming into it, because the cryptocurrency is becoming more accessible. So in my opinion, in order for a meme coin to put in a monster move like we've seen in Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, it needs to be accessible to your average retail trader. Speaking of accessibility, check out the link in the description for Webull. They're going to give you free money up to $2,000 if you sign up with the link in the description. You can then use that free money to go out and buy whatever meme coin or altcoins you want to buy. Check it out after the video. Number 4, the technical analysis needs to line up. The technical analysis needs to be indicating that a big move is about to happen. The way we can do this, the way we can break this down is by looking at the volume and by looking at support and resistance. Look at how the volume increases as a move is about to happen higher. So the volume's trending higher, Shiba Inu trends higher. The volume pulls back, Shiba Inu chops around. The volume trends higher, Shiba Inu goes higher, pulls back, Shiba Inu chops, and then the volume explodes. Right here, Shiba Inu explodes. Volume is probably the most important data tool that you can use when doing technical analysis in any market, whether it's the stock market or cryptocurrencies, and data tells the story of momentum. So if the volume is trending higher, there's probably still momentum. Right now in Shiba Inu, the volume's kind of chopped off a little bit. We'll see what happens. It could very well come back in. We've seen the volume go way down in Shiba Inu and then immediately come back. So once that volume starts to tick back up, momentum's coming back into it, there may be an imminent move coming. We can also use technical analysis in the way of support and resistance. I did a video talking about why I bought Shiba Inu way back here, because it was bull flagging and then it immediately tripled in price after we bought it because it broke out of that bull flag. I thought there was a potential for a big move because of that bull flag. A bull flag is basically a triangle. You get a move higher and then it consolidates, forming a triangle. That triangle tells us that it is consolidating. It is chopping around and it's building up. It's resting, relaxing, and eventually it's gonna have to break out of that triangle. You're either gonna get a big move higher to the upside, or you're gonna break out of the bottom of that triangle and sell off. So it's a great place to enter a position because you have defined risk. If you break out of the bottom of the triangle, you probably need to hop out of the way. Or if you break out of the upside of the triangle, there is a big potential for a big move. And if you look at the Shiba Inu chart right now, we're actually bull flagging again, right? So you got the big move up and then you get the bull flag. The bottom of the support area is the base of the flag. So if we break out that way, maybe new all-time highs, or if we break out to the bottom, maybe a retest of the support area down there. So technical analysis is a must if you're going to be trying to actively trade these cryptocurrency altcoins. Let's run it back real quick and wrap this up. So number one, it has to have eyeballs on it. It needs to be trending on social media. It helps if Elon tweets about it, but just in general, the more eyeballs on it, the better. Number two, it cannot be a pump and dump or a rug pull. That's what we're looking to avoid. So do your research, do your due diligence, try to find out who the devs are, who's behind the project. Number three, it needs to be readily accessible to your average retail trader and investor. The more brokerages that carry the cryptocurrency, the better, because you need buyers in order for a move to happen. There needs to be more demand than supply. In order for that to happen, you need to be able to freaking trade the thing. Some of these altcoins, you got to go through a merry-go-round between a maze and over a mountain in order to find out how to buy them. We have seen what's happened with Shiba Inu. As it has become more accessible, the price has gone up. To finally wrap it up, you need to have a basic understanding of how cryptocurrency technical analysis works. It's not that complicated. Support and resistance, and the more volume coming into it, the better. That's going to wrap up the video, guys. If you got something of value from it, do me a favor, share this video with a friend who likes crypto trading as well, and just hit that like button. Hitting the like button it does me a big solid, and I really do appreciate it. And I love all of you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.